So hello and welcome back, and yes, I want to show you in this video how to replace or remove this it's for opening the back bonnet and for lighting of the registration plate. And it is something that, yeah, it does tend to break, mostly the light, because it's an LED light inside of this one. And yeah, not the best design if you ask me, but yeah. Anyways, so what you can see here, there is two pins that are holding this together like this. So what you have to do is to clip this one out, and the best way to do it is just to go like this inside and unclick it. So you have to click on this one. So yeah, and the same goes for the other side. Again, the click, and it's not that hard to change. So yeah, basically when you have problems like this, so and then you have just this one electric clip that you should unbolt, and it's just click and pull. So basically like this. So why not? So you just click it and then need a little bit of pulling out, and same goes for the next one. You just click it back in. It has just one position because this have this one pin over here. So, and after that you just click it in, these pins will move out, and these are the ones that are holding over here. So yeah, that's about that. This one I don't really know if this is good. It is probably good, but it's a little bit here, like, as you can see here, broken. So, and this car was 2015, 16, something like that. So, but this one, it's a nice one. So yeah, I hope this kind of helped. So the back bonnet over here. Yeah, that's about that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, comment, like and follow, and yeah, see you in the next one. If you have any requests, sure, write in comments. We can make it. So till next one.